What's up guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. So this is the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, this is the OnePlus 6T. I've done a various amount of comparisons with the cameras, both the front and the back cameras. I've taken a lot of photos using just the auto modes and also portrait modes. And I've also taken some videos and I'll give you a little audio test as well. Now I've taken this in a various amount of lighting conditions, sunny days outside, indoor lighting and nighttime shots. So I just wanted to give you a comparison to see which one is the better quality. So I'm going to run through this very quickly. If there's anything you want to have a look at in more detail, then just pause the video. I won't be narrating over them because it will save me a lot of time, and I'll give you a little bit of a conclusion at the end from which one is my favorite, and then we'll take a vote at the end to see which one you guys prefer as well. So let's get straight into it.
A little bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. We just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
So this is the audio quality on the front-facing camera, just recording a video. So you can have a comparison to see what the sound quality is like when you play this back. So this is the audio quality on the front-facing camera, just recording a video. So you can have a comparison to see what the sound quality is like when you play this back. Alright guys, so that was it. Now, in my opinion, from what I've seen, I actually think the OnePlus 6T is a little bit better than the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. They've got 3 cameras at the back of the Huawei Mate 20. I think they specifically aimed the market for this phone at having one of the best cameras out there. Now, don't get me wrong, it is still a very good camera, and there's a lot of AI features that are really useful to know for everyone else that really wants to buy it. But for the price that you pay for the OnePlus 6T and the quality of photos that you're getting, I think this one wins more than the other ones. Now, the Mate 20 Pro is $899 and this one is $499, so it's a massive amount of difference. And for me to see that the better quality in the camera is from the OnePlus 6T, I'm actually quite surprised. So for your value of money, if camera is something that you really want to buy, then definitely go for the OnePlus 6T. Now, of course, there's a lot more features on the camera on the Mate 20 Pro which I haven't covered, and I haven't tested the night modes between them just yet as well, but I will be looking at that in an upcoming video. But nonetheless, overall, for the majority of the pictures that you will be taking, either the auto modes or the portrait modes, just standard shots, selfies and so on, you're definitely going to get a better quality with the OnePlus 6T. With the video quality, especially the audio, you've had a look at it yourself. The audio is so much better and clearer. You hear a lot of wind noise coming from the Mate 20 Pro, but this is so much clearer. The image stabilization on the video is fairly good in both of them. I think when I was looking back, the OnePlus 6T is a little bit more stable, but when I'm actually looking at it on the live view, recording it on both phones, the Mate 20 Pro looked a little bit clearer as well. So it's a bit of a mix, but overall I'm definitely going to give it to the OnePlus 6T. But let me know what you guys think. Click on this little icon here and take a vote and see which one you think is a better camera. I'd love to hear your comments, guys. As usual, I hope you subscribe and like the video. Until the next time, until the next video comparison, I'll see you then. Take care.